Discuss the next question, number 4. The Laplace transform of f of t equals 2 into root of t by pi is s to the power of minus 3 by 2. And the Laplace transform of g of t equals root of 1 by pi t is, well, we have our 4 options. Now, when the question gives us the Laplace transform of a certain function and asked us to find the Laplace transform of a different function, that should give you a clue. Then there should be some sort of relation between the two functions given. So take a minute and try to observe f of t and g of t and see in what way they can be related. Now, if you'll notice that if you differentiate f of t, you will obtain g of t. Let's take a look at that. So we have been given f of t, right? So we have f of t equals to root t by pi. Let's differentiate this, f dash t. So what happens here? We have 2 divided by root pi, which is the constant. We will have to only differentiate root t. So root t is 1 divided by 2 root t. The derivative of root t is 1 by 2 root t. This gives us 1 divided by root pi t. Or in other words, it can also be written as root of 1 by pi t. And notice that this is g of t, which means f dash t equals g of t. Now we can use a Laplace formula. Now the Laplace transform formula, let's use this. Laplace of f dash t. We are supposed to find out the Laplace transform of g of t, right? So the Laplace transform of g of t is the Laplace transform of f dash of t. So we have a standard formula for the Laplace transform of a derivative function. So the formula is Laplace of f dash t equals s into Laplace of f of t minus f of 0. So this is our formula. Now let's see how we can substitute the values and work it out. So the Laplace transform of g of t is the Laplace transform of f dash of t. So the first thing is s into, the formula says Laplace of f of t. Laplace of f of t is already given to us in the question as s to the power of minus 3 by 2, right? S to the power minus 3 by 2 minus f of 0. Now what's f of 0? 2 into root of t by pi. So t is 0 by pi, which is 0. So we have here s into s to the power of minus 3 by 2. So s into s power minus 3 by 2 is s to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is s power 1. So 1 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is our final answer. S to the power of minus 1 by 2. And that matches option B. Well, this is the entire solution. I hope it has helped.